I just unlocked South America. Stop showing these ads. Surf America. That's not Surf America. Where's Surf America? No, I need to do this ×2 reward. Like 1,000 or 9,000. I barely have good guns. Okay. Let's do easy. Medium. Oh. So I forgot. Come on. There you go. Yes. Is that a birdie? Wait, what? Look at all those seconds. Look at all those seconds. I'm thinking. What if he's exploding me? Chickens. Hey, I love chickens. Come here, boy. Bye, chickens. Yeah, I love chickens. Oh, these are zombie chickens? Hey, that's cool. Yes. Shit. Oh, get away from me. You get shit on the shotgun. Ah, look at those. Those are ducks, buddy. No, chickens. Hey, I love chickens. Oh, those are geese, though. Wait, what, am I retarded, or are those geese? I'm dying. Whoa, that's a lot of money. That's 12,000 Dukaroos. I might add music here. I don't know. I might just shut up and add music. Yeah, no. What is all these freaking offers? Hold on. What is this? Yeah, the struggle for not having a computer. This is hard. I'm gonna call my friend to see if he's still doing homework. No, this is cop. Wait, I am thinking. That's not stuck in my head. Oh wait, dude. Now that I got this, guess what I can do? Now that my tech's level 5, I can join in the tourneys. Dying son. And that's a hard gun to get. No, teacher, I'm pretty sure it's teacher. Yeah, it's just listen to Hey boy. Okay, I was thinking those are ducks. Sick of my head now. Yeah. I'm not gonna join that. But I might need to see something. Hold on. Hold on, I need to see something. Okay. Yes. Look at. And warning headphone volume people. Why is he staring at him so cold and dead? Why is your head just tilting? Like, look at this dude. Looking like Moana.
Look at all those chickens.
Yeah. Sorry, I never do something. Let my Duger out. Headshot. Yeah, I can have a little bit of entertainment, quality entertainment. No, like 1,000. 1,000 auto heals? What? Are you high? What? Take level 5. Yeah, I dig it. Hey, Zombie Slayer. Ugh. I don't know that word. What? I got it. Wait. Okay, I looked it up. I still don't know what. Are coming to their end. I didn't get an A in reading. I got a B. B plus. And I got an A plus in math. I wish I got an A in science or something. Maybe it was reading that I got an A in. Because I'm so good at reading and I'm so good at knowing vines. Look at all those chickens. Whoa, this is scary. What is it? Oh, whoa. Whoa. Under attack. Oh, wait, this is where boss is. Oh, my God. Stop shaking that, dude. What are you Oh, my. Hulk. Wait, Donovan, are you on this bus? Are you on this plane? Yeah. Wait, it's King, whatever his name is. Sinlu and his guy that's a sumo wrestler. Is the Kano that's on this plane? Oh my god. Jeez, dude. Okay, are you okay, sir? Hello? Hello? Bow. Are you mad? Are you the sumo wrestler that's shaking this bus? Whee! No. Really wanted to do it. Get rid of cargo. Yes. Hey, I was shaking. Oh, look at you. You are so adorable. Got a little bit. Hold on. I want to go blow my nose. You probably don't want to listen to that. Sniffling. I'm sick. Yeah, I'm mad. Yeah, I'm sick. Oh, look at that trick shot. Like, look at all those chickens. Look at all those chickens. Oh, wait. I forgot. Dad, why do I have all those shoot on? Oh, did I see the piggy bank? Hi, Mr. Piggy. Piggy, I like the farm, you piggy. Popo! Ah! Oh my god, what are you? Oh my gosh, I mean. Oh, these SWAT zone birds. What if I use a knife on you? Because it's a bulletproof vest and it's not a knife proof. Who's? I'm gonna get the crowbar. Yeah. Oh, my eye itches. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh gosh, I made no. Oh my. What? I didn't even see you on my. Get up. I better play some Last Stand on Earth. No. Hello. Baby on steroids. Cancer. I tried my best for quality entertainment. There's aimbot right here. Where's aimbot? Right here. Yeah, yo, Zambirds. Yeah, Zambirds. Zambird. Oh my god. Oh my god. That you died. Why did you know? No, get away. I should switch out my knife. Hey, yo, chickens. Oh, it's fun to shoot these cards. How did these break? Oh, this is probably the lock. Or did they push them? I give shotgun shells. Why am I throwing a tank on, bro? These are perfectly good stuff, dude. Really, I could get really good supplies. Really, I think, bro. I forgot that it was well, no, this. The heavy. Oh, because the plane's too heavy. But why'd you drop that stuff? You should have took the stuff out of it first. Hey, yo, taking. Nah, it's probably getting annoying. Yeah. Hey, all those duggies. Yeah, this one's really getting annoying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Escape. Wait, what do you mean escape? What? What do you mean escape? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Are you okay, sir? What's going on? Why are we escaping? Why is everything red? What happened? What happened? Tell me, please. What's the story? What's the backstory behind this? Okay, I was Dougie. I need to collect the monies. I'm spoiled. Rich. And let's get out of here. Oh dang, why can't I just do that in the game, bro? That's savage. Dude, you have a parachute? Or did I just commit suicide? What? Okay, I have money. Yeah, that's probably give me my thing. I'm digging. I am tickets. Yeah, I am tickets. And I really hope this uploads. Oh, level 29. Sweet. Yes, you got shot. Oh, I got shot. I got shot. Why? Actually, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed.